Ready to rip.
There it is.
That track is sick.
Oh.
Yeah. That thing's got some seeds, dude.
Right, 8,000 pounds. Back up the power now?
As far as I have.
Let's go straight up. And I'll step over here. I like this. Now we're going to put a shackle on my home. Hey, you know you're probably going to have to back down.
You think so?
And yeah,
I think
dude,
so.
hey, stand.
I'm already moving.
You're already aiming at it.
We're in low. We'll build some speed and just keep rolling.
This thing is fucking massive.
I know. I'm the,
Is that yours, Dean? Nope, you need to run.
Oh, yeah?
Yep. He said that if need be, he could bring the trailer up for us, though.
Yep. Alright, crashing into one.
This thing just sits here?
Just tips over.
Surprised it stays. Alright, best run we've had. Best run we've had. Yep. It's flat. Oh, girl.
I broke it right there. Broke the rules. She'll make it. It's just not wide enough. Making a fucking trail.
Don't go too far back.
Said something, guy.
Well, just because it dropped, you know what I mean? We got past the crest. Do you think? I'm not going to say anything.
Oh, I'm about to fall into a fucking ravine, dude. We'll be in there for like 8 hours just trying to get this out to go home.
So why don't we unhook the trailer and just have him drag it up and walk with it?
Right, I'm gonna try and get back down without dying.
Yeah, without the trailer, this thing would probably go right up the hill.
Yeah. Well,
You know what I mean? The extra weight.
He's doing worse.
2,000 pounds behind you, plus
doing worse
plus
than
a
the
1,800
solo
pound
rifle.
trailer. You know?
I gotta get the nose of the truck so far out of the fucking... Goes downhill like great.
Gravity.
I'm in it, dude. Oh, we've been in this far so already though.
Yeah. You're going too far.
I have to. Well, the trailer's gonna jackknife.
Alright, but now you're going right back to your other spot.
Yep.
Careful. See if you can move it forward a little. Just go easy.
I'm in my spot, dude.
Nope, you're gonna settle right back
I
in
know,
that.
in my spot.
I know.
Fuck. Need the trailer to go this way. Jackknifed
Hey, hang on.
into his fucking... It's a fucking nightmare, dude.
You guys are lucky you got him as a neighbor.
Sure.
It's awesome. What's all this? Yeah, this is
as close as I can.
uh,
Yeah. I gotta
But
hit
you
him
see
up.
how deep this was when I
Hell yeah.
when I went through it? Oh my god. I had enough time to grab my dogs that were outside when I saw him. He was on one side of my garage. I got the dogs, threw him in the house. And the only gun I had so far was 7, so I grabbed him and let him out. Hanging on the building, trying to scare him off. By the time I got around that corner of the garage, he was that close to me already, just standing there. And I'm like, well, this isn't real good. Maybe I'll try to scare him. So the first shot, I just shot in the ground. He never moved. He's not scared of me, so I emptied it right there. And then when it fired my last round, he just turned around and he walked up the hill and just disappeared. And so I went inside, grabbed my shotgun, and put it right next to the door. And most of the seasons, I have it close by. Penetrator kind of round too. Other than that, it'll just flatten out right on their skull and piss them off.
When they have their New Year, they set a camp up in front of this fucking building. They're all